Welcome to another episode of One or More, where I try to make you laugh one or more times. Let's get started. In science news, it was discovered a mysterious species buried their dead and carved symbols 100,000 years before humans. The symbols include geometric shapes and hashtag-like carvings. It just goes to show 100,000 years from now, somebody might give a shit about your tweets. New research suggests the longer infants are breastfed, the better the test scores when they're adolescents. In a similar report, immature men are asking women to help increase their test scores. Did you see this? In last night's blowout Stanley Cup Game 2, a female reporter from Miami stiff-armed an unruly Golden Knights fan from getting into her shot. The viral moment also was the only highlight for the Florida Panthers. In London, Prince Harry took the stand in his lawsuit against the British media. During cross-examination, the lawyer asked Prince Harry if the published photos really caused him that much distress. Before he can answer, Prince Harry pointed to the courtroom sketch artist and quickly blamed him for snorting cocaine in front of the court. Yesterday, Apple unveiled its new mixed reality headset called Apple Vision Pro, which allows users to browse the web on giant virtual screens all over your living room. Now parents of teenage boys will have to wipe down the entire living room instead of just the bathroom. Yesterday, the Super Bowl winning Kansas City Chiefs visited the White House and met with President Biden. The traditional event was filled with smiles and laughter. However, seeing President Biden shuffle on stage reminded the players of what one more hit to the head can do. And finally, it's been revealed that the new Barbie movie used so much pink paint during production that there was a global shortage. Surprisingly, anti-woke parents are calling for a sequel. That's right, they're hoping less pink paint means more straight boys. That is the news and jokes for June 6th. If I made you laugh once, then please hit that like button. Alright, thanks for watching and I'll see you again tomorrow.